That's me.
What's up guys? So in today's video, I'm actually really excited for today's video. Today we are going to be doing something that I feel like I need in my life. I feel like I've had like a really boring life recently, and this is just something that I need to like spice it up and make me feel like I'm doing something with it. So today we are going to be doing a summer camping trip in my backyard. I've been camping a couple times. I used to be a Girl Scout and I used to camp all the time, and then the last time that I went camping, it rained on us. It really just wasn't a pleasurable experience. And so, you know, I felt like everyone goes camping in the summertime. Like, I feel like that's a very, very common family trip idea, and so I wanted to do that, except for like in the comfort of like my own home. So today we are going to be doing a summer camping trip in my backyard. Don't really know exactly how this video is gonna go. I have a bunch of Pinterest boards lined up in my head right now while I'm going to be filming this video, so like hopefully this video turns out to be a whole Pinterest board, because like that's what we're going for. Please watch this video because it's actually like over 100 degrees outside, and so I'm risking my life to make this video. You should feel bad and you should continue watching. So I have my really, really cute pink tent outside, and I think that's what we're gonna do first. I also have a fire pit. We're gonna be doing s'mores and all that stuff. Also going to be doing like a little movie night, and I'm going to be putting on a movie on like a whole projector and all that stuff. Like, I think we're going to do the tent first, so let's go do that right now. So I have all the essentials for our little camping trip. I got some lights so we can make like our tent look really, really cute. Plus I have like other things like in my bedroom and like in the house that I'm gonna make it look cute with. So these are not the ones that I originally wanted to get. These are gonna do. And then I also got 5 little forks. They're really sharp, so my mom said I could use these for a weapon, so that's really great. And then I got some s'more marshmallows. These little, they're specifically made for camping, I think, aren't they? Oh my god, did I not get the right ones? No, I did. Yes, so they're squares. Those are squares. See? So they're perfect. And then we got some chocolate. So we have all of our essentials. Now we're gonna go set up the tent. So I'm kind of gonna explain the whole idea and the process that I'm going to think of how I'm gonna set this up. So we're outside right now. I basically have these little like sun visor things right here, and so what we're gonna do is we're gonna project the movie on that, and then I have a fire pit right here, and so we're gonna do s'mores, and then I think I'm gonna set the tent up right there because the grass on that side of the house is really, really nice, but this one's kind of dead, so I don't want to kill that side, so we're just gonna do it right here. Eventually when I watch the movie, I think I might move it over to like right here, so then we can like see the movie and you guys will get clips of like me watching the movie in the tent and stuff like that. Now we're gonna set up the tent right now, you know, before the sun goes down and stuff like that, and yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like when I set up the tent, because like hopefully it's not hard. I have Elizabeth here, you know, my handy dandy helper, and she's gonna help me do this, so let's get started. Hi you guys, Elizabeth changed so she can get down and dirty and make this tent with me, because Bianca doesn't want to join us. She's a fake friend, but you know, it's fine. We're gonna build a tent right here. The tent's all the way back here. When I was in Girl Scouts, we had like 12 of these. We still actually do have like 12 of these, and we had this whole like big camping backyard trip.
We were in Girl Scouts together.
Yes, so we're good people. So we're gonna do this and we're gonna build this. You guys are just gonna see a montage, I guess. The tent is like stained for some reason. These tents have literally not seen the light of day for like 8-9 years, so I don't really know like if it just had like warping in the bag, but yeah, please ignore the little stain. I don't know what it is. Like, I want to get another one, but like what if they're all stained and then I just waste my time because they're in the attic? So ignore the stain, please. Thank you. To you. Hold on. I'm filming too, bitch. You know what I told you guys I'm gonna say to her? Bitch, like, you literally said we were not gonna be able to do this. And look what I did. Look what I did. Look what I did. You know, it's just like so sad. It's like I knew I should have waited to take a shower tonight, and I took one this morning.
Yeah, I just want to let you guys know that she thinks that she's about to sleep here. Baddie is gonna sleep in this tent in 105, maybe even 110 degree weather. Yeah, I want to see that. Yeah, you about to sleep in there in 110 degree weather?
Well, what's the weather temperature tonight? Okay, what's the weather tonight?
Let's look at the weather. I just want to show them. 104 degrees.
Oh, it's supposed to get 80s tonight though. Oh, that's really not that bad. 80s, the low 80s.
The low 80s is cold
when you
for
live
her.
in Arizona and it's like 194 degrees here. below 80s really nice.
Okay.
Hi you guys, so it's a lot much darker than the last time. It literally is it's only been like a 20-minute difference since the last time that we like, you know, set up the tent. But yeah, there's annoying bugs. I'm really sorry. I'm gonna do everything that I can to get the annoying bugs out of this audio. I'm about to stick the sleeping bag like in the tent right now. I'm gonna lay it down and then we're gonna add like other blankets and other pillows and lights and just all that stuff to like make it look cute. So I'm using this kind of like yellowy orangey lighting right now, but basically we came to the conclusion that Lizzie's little tape idea was not going to work. We honestly just need like stronger tape. It's just not going to work for the lights. And we have another idea of, I thought of using paper clips and taking paper. What is that? Okay, you weirdo. Okay, but basically I thought of the idea of taking paper clips and just shoving them through the tent and like looping them, because that's kind of like my dad said to do safety pins, but we also don't have those. And so we're gonna go run and grab some paper clips and then we're gonna come back. Wow, I really did not think this was gonna be as hard to like set up lights. Like I was so excited for these lights and like now I don't know if it's gonna work. This is our little contraption that we made. A lot easier. Lizzie literally thought this was gonna be so hard. Cute. It's cute. I love it. Featuring our dogs. I love it. Okay, so now we're gonna go. Hi, Chanelli. Hi, Missy girl. I love you, mommy.
Oh, hi, Betty girl.
I love you.
Patchy Louise.
Patchy girl.
That's my middle name. We have the same middle name.
Yeah, they do. So like they're twins. Okay, so now we're gonna go get some blankets, some pillows, and all that stuff to make it more comfortable and just like fun in here. And then we're gonna make s'mores after. So let's go. I got some pillows, my mom's pillows. She's gonna be so triggered, but like, you know, it's fine. Oh, the stains on the tent are so annoying. So our tent is set up and it's all cute in there and all comfortable. We're setting up the projector thing right now so we can watch Twilight because that's my favorite movie. And then we're also going to be doing s'mores, so we're gonna be setting that up. So when we have that all ready to go, I'll come back to you guys. Okay, you guys, so right now we are about to do s'mores and then that is basically sort of gonna be, oops, the light went off. Great, do I just use this as like the lighting? That's basically sort of gonna be the end of the video, besides like us like watching and all that stuff. Then we're gonna eat, but like the s'mores was kind of, I feel like, the last like camping thing, and then we're just gonna like chill in the tent and all that stuff. The light came back, wow, great. But my dad is currently setting up a thing to make a fire. We didn't get any firewood, so we got to use like what we have, and we also kind of have to do this quick because we don't know how long the fire is gonna burn. So yeah, Twilight is currently, it's on. We paused it, but I closed the tent because I don't want all the stuff smelling like smoke. But yeah, guys, this is basically, this is what we're working with. Our little thing, our movie, and then our tent over here. So we got the fire going, finally. We have to do this quick before it burns out. This is what my marshmallow looks like, guys. Do you see her?
Oh yeah, I mean,
she's brown.
Right shot.
Oh, so she did melt. I hate marshmallows. I love them.
They're like messy.
So here's the s'more, guys. She's really burnt. We're done with our s'mores. I'm about to shut off the lights and restart the movie and actually watch it in my tent. I'm with my little sweet angel right here. She's going to join me. And I moved other pillows inside, the pillows that were my mother's. But yeah, here's me and my hello sign that I just got today. She's really cute. But yeah, you guys, like, this is what it kind of looks like. The fire's slowly like going out. Me and Chanel are gonna watch Twilight. So we're gonna hang out because she's my only friend. Right, Chanel, you're my only friend. Mommy's right. Yes, yes. She wants to give me kisses, but mommy has makeup on. Yes. She always loves to kiss me right here and all my makeup comes off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if this is a type of video that you guys enjoy and if you guys want me to start doing more like different types of videos like this. I had really fun. I've been outside in the heat for like 5 hours now and I'm honestly sweating. I'm gonna sit here and just chill for a little bit and watch, you know, my favorite movie, Twilight. She's playing right up there. It's like my all-time favorite movie. So if you guys ever need to know something about me, all-time favorite movie is Twilight. If you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the little bell so you guys be notified when I post a video. Also, do not forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat so you guys can see what I'm doing when I'm not posting a video. But yeah, I love you guys so much and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.